Hi there and welcome to the Trading Lounge, and I'm just going to run you quickly through a quick tour of the site. And here we have the member section here, and in the member section here it's split up into different categories. The first one is the Trading Lounge Analysis page, which is this page here where we have the early bird, which is a morning report, and this morning report comes in about 7 or 7:30, sometimes earlier. I get up about 4 in the morning and start it, and basically we're looking at the overnight markets, the gold, the silver, base metals, copper, crude, the Australian BHP, the US BHP, the Australian banking sector, US dollar index, which is quite pivotal to the S&P 500, and the euro, which is quite central to other indices as well. A bit of a brief on the currencies here, what levels we're expecting to trade to today and where the support and the resistance is. And then into the indices here, the Dow Jones, the S&P, the FTSE, the SPY, the ASX 200, and what we can expect in the pre-open here, and also what financial events there are today. So there's also a 20-minute video in here which goes into a lot more detail of all the above that's there. That comes out very early in the morning, so that's why it's called the early bird. And the next section here is the big picture section here, and this is all of this section here gets updated each week, but through here this will be updated during the day as well. So here we're looking at China, looking at the support and the resistance here, because the manufacturing in China is reasonably positive after sort of 5 consecutive down months, and we need to find if it's got support on this particular level here, 2650, and see if our market finds support on the 4500 and the Dow Jones on the 10,500. So we're looking at these particular markets to get a sort of a broader picture and seeing which one's going to give us the lead of support and resistance in that. And of course we look at the possibilities for our local market here as well. So these are all just Elliott wave counts, and also using the trading levels as well. So these are the big picture things here. Snowball is where it's more like sort of trend trading here. We're putting out some long positions here to look at, just support what we're looking at. The insiders section here covers inside trading. Here we're looking at the SPY here. Quick blink here, essentially looking at about 150, 200 stocks in terms of just a quick blink, a quick look at them rather. This particular stock here, sellers in control of the market depth, so short-term traders would need to be very careful here. The critical support is 150, and under 155 is tilting bearish. So it's just giving a quick snapshot and a bit of history on each particular stock here, so that's important. The other one is dividends, and for each week as well. There's a glossary here, so that's one section there. The other section here, as we're looking at, would be the Forex section, and we have an analyst in Europe that covers the London opening and the New York timing as well, and the same with the international commodities as well. Let's have a quick look at those. So this is the Forex section here, so we're covering the majors here and also the dollar index in this section, and we also cover, there would be, say for the euro here, there would be the weekly, yep, so it's giving the bigger picture here, and right, the daily here, so we're sort of drilling down into that picture, and then also the 4-hour here, the 4-hour chart drilling down as well, so that's updated daily. And then this is the intraday is updated on London opening and through the New York close as well, or the New York opening as well. So that's more on the sort of Elliott wave side of things there, and we do apply the trading levels to these as well. I'd need to show you another section to show you how to apply the trading levels to these. And this is the same for international commodities as well. So international commodities are also updated from the European end as well. So we're covering oil on intraday, 4-hourly, daily, and weekly. We're also covering gold as well, and also the S&P 500. And I also cover the Dow and the SPY and so forth on the insiders as well. So these are all covered in these periods here. And one of the other sections that we have here is quite helpful, is the trade check here. So what this means here, this would normally be checked within normally within 20 minutes, maybe even earlier, maybe a touch later. But if you're about to put on a trade and you need help with it on any market whatsoever, then you just fill out the trade check and you send that through. If you're in a trade and you want to know the best place to put a stop, well then I will talk you through that as well. We'll check at the market depth, see where the volume, see where the support is, so forth. And so there's a trade check form there, which is very helpful. There's also an education forum here as well. So there's plenty of information in there. There's some online courses as well in this particular section here. But if you've come here to learn about the trading levels, then the charting program is what I do recommend that you download. It's free. It's got free data there. And it's a great program to learn about the trading levels, and that's what I suggest that you do. The trading levels is a great backdrop for any other method or system that you're running. It will help refine it and improve it. There is also an accounting program here, Profit Keeper as well. You can download that, but let's have a quick look at the trading levels charting program, and this is the page that you come to download it here. It's a very simple download. There's some videos here on how to use the program, and there's also videos in the program itself. Here we go. So in the help section here, online help, there's videos in here, and I suggest that you look at these before you start. There is about 120 indicators on here, so it's quite sophisticated in its own right. You can move it around whichever way you want. It's very, very versatile for a chartist to work with, and rolling the mouse, the little roller on the mouse there brings it in and out. So it's very versatile. But what you want to learn here is the trading levels. So through this floating template here, you can click on, this is the major trading levels here. So that's $5 on this particular stock here, FMG. That's the major level, so we'd want support on that before we went long on that at that stage. This is the medium trading level here, the next level down. So that's at $4, and then we have the minor trading levels through here as well. There's also sub-minor as well for day trading, but the minor trading levels at this point here. So as you can see here, that these particular numbers all carry certain weight. The major trading levels carry the most weight, then the medium, then the minor trading levels. And once you understand these as support and resistance, these are places where you can set stops and also take profits as well. And if you're running your own method over the top of this, this will be an excellent backdrop and improve your trading results. So download the charting program first, I recommend. See how your particular stock works with the trading levels, and then from that point, once you understand the penny drops that the trading levels actually work and carry some particular weight, then you will need to work out what type of patterns can occur across a particular level, and what would I be looking for support and resistance to move in and out of the market. So first of all, download the charting program. Secondly, understanding what the trading levels are, and thirdly, what patterns occur across the levels, and how do I go about using them in conjunction with something that I'm already doing to improve my method. So what we teach here is about the trading levels, which is basically about price, and we also teach you how to read volume, and we also work with Elliott Wave as a understanding the internal structure of that. There's you can also, from this tab up here, the TradingLounge tab, you can pull through the early bird, the big picture, the snowball, and so forth through here. There's online watch lists here that you can pull through if you're looking for particular things in here. These tabs to the side come out through here. You can pin all these out here. You can set candlesticks and your own little watch lists up and so forth. It's quite a sophisticated, great little sort of program to work with. So definitely download that and learn about the levels. That's the important thing while you're here at this particular site. Alrighty, well, thanks for the tour, and there is other things on the website. I'll leave them for you to discover, and we're here to help if we can. Thanks very much.